Hey, Advanced Yearbook. I just wanted to touch base this week really quickly about what we're going to be doing. And this week, you really need to be kind of honing in on that idea for the theme, the cover of the yearbook. Okay, so that's still in this yellow folder here, all of this. And then we will be meeting live on Thursday at the start of class, which is 1 o'clock on Thursday, to discuss your theme ideas and hopefully come to a decision on that. And if not Thursday, then Friday via like discussion board or something. We really need to come to a decision because John Kelly needs our ideas next Wednesday. So by next Wednesday. So I'd like to get it to him even sooner. And that will get the artist ready for our cover session. So if you haven't come to a conclusion yet, and so far it's Friday at 2:30, no one has, and that's fine. Be thinking. I want you to spend some time to really think about this, but be coming to some type of idea pretty soon here. Today, Monday, well, today's Friday, but you guys are watching this on Monday. Monday, I am pushing out the information for business ad sales. So you guys will have, you guys are assigned some businesses in the community. And I tried to kind of give you back places that you've already been to before. But if there's other places that you can think of, please add them. But all of these places you should be contacting via email if possible. Everybody has 5. Ethan, you have 6, just because I noticed that last year you sold to Active Strength Company. So I threw that on there as well. But I was trying to find emails for you guys, and I'm going to still keep adding to this. That way, this is very simple for you to do. Also, in this folder, there is a business ad email template. And this is literally, and I'm going to email this to you guys too so you can copy and paste it. But literally, I have an email drafted for you where you just have to kind of fill in the blank, fill in the business email. And the big thing is CC me on the email, because that is how you are going to receive a grade for this. I truly think that businesses will buy from us, because I would say, well, all of these businesses have bought from us in the past. So I have a feeling that they will hopefully do it again. Some of them may not. It really, truly may not be in their budget this year. Things with the economy have kind of changed. So you may get some no's, but I think you'll get some yeses, and you are going to be graded on your attempts. So, if you do get told no, that is okay. But we do need to be reaching out and attempting to do this still. Let's see, what else is in this folder for business ad sales? Attached is also just like, this is just the PDF of our ad prices and sizes. This will also be attached to the email that you send, but I wanted to just put that there kind of independently, so you could pull that up or even print it off, because by all means, if you want to reach out to a business in person, you are more than welcome to do that. I just didn't want to, make that mandatory. Okay, so that is kind of what we have going on this week until Thursday when we meet live. But your ad sales emails should be sent out by the end of the day on Friday. But if you want to wait to talk to me about that on our live meet on Thursday, that's fine. But it is just a quick email, and it's written for you, so it should go very fast, and it should be, very easy. So just to kind of get you up to speed here as to what we are doing this week.